The Graco Ultra QuickShot electric airless sprayer is a revolutionary handheld sprayer designed for quick and precise small-scale painting projects. It's perfect for tasks such as touch-ups, painting cabinets, doors, trim, and more. The Ultra QuickShot stands out due to its instant response electric-powered gun, which virtually eliminates paint spits, providing a flawless finish every time. This sprayer features on gun pressure and flow control, allowing you to adjust the pressure quickly for any application with a range of 100 to 2000 psi. It supports a wide range of materials including water-based, solvent-based, and even flammable coatings, making it versatile for various projects. The lightweight and portable design includes a belt and holster attachment, making it easy to carry around job sites for complete mobility. With the QuickShot Proconic airless piston pump, the sprayer ensures long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Additionally, the 6-shaft flexible hose offers full reach for difficult-to-access areas, ensuring efficient paint application in even the tightest spaces. This model comes equipped with two DeWalt 20V batteries, capable of spraying up to 1 gallon, 3.78 liters per charge, making it perfect for small projects where quick, high-quality results are needed. The Graco Ultra QuickShot is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who are looking for a reliable, portable, and easy-to-use solution for smaller paint jobs. For more details, you can visit the product page on Graco's official website or other trusted retailers.